Hi, my name is Stephanie Delin and welcome to my world! Okay guys, so pumunta kami bahay, papunta kaming Davao. It's May 35 pala. Birthday ni Dada ngayon. Pupunta kaming Davao. Time check ay 5:20. Kaya we're riding inside Ninong Doc's Tesla.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Buong puso po namin kayo tinatanggap dito sa PR1813. Our estimated flying time is approximately 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Okay, so nasa airplane na kami. It's been so long.
We will now be showing the safety features of this aircraft, the Airbus
Malapit na
321,
umalis, so
in accordance with Philippine aviation regulations.
okay, nakababa na kami ng airplane. We are now in Davao City Airport. Naghihintay lang kami ng bag. Tapos pagtapos na maghintay ng bag, magra-ride kami ng boat papunta sa Pell Farm. Pero naghihintay pa kami. Sobrang dito na si Kuya ating service.
Hello, Kuya. Tingin mo pa pa.
Okay, tapos sakay na kami ng shuttle. Tapos dadalhin tayo sa kung saan tayo kuha ng boat papunta sa Pearl Farm. So, welcome to Davao! Thank you! Nasa van na tayo. Pupunta na kami sa sakayan. Pero magdadrive-thru muna kami sa McDonald's. Meron din pool. Tapos kain na. Tapos parking. Okay. Naghihintay lang kami ng boat, kaya malapit naman na dumating. Feeling ko naglilinis pa ata, pero padating nata mamaya. Parang magbe-message ata yung driver, so naghihintay pa kami sa cafe. We're ready! Which one should we go? Which one should we go? This one? Dulo sa unahan? Saan? More pa?
Yes.
Gumagalaw na.
Go, go, go.
Ito ba yung sinasabi mo pwede ka mag-picture sa harap? I'm losing my balance! I'm losing my... Okay, we're on the boat now. Going to Pell Farm. It's a 45-minute boat ride, but I think it will just be quick. So, yes! Dapat parang Titanic na yun. Welcome to Pearl Farm!
6:30 a.m. until 10 a.m. and for your lunch, it will start 11:30 a.m. up to 2 p.m.
Go inside. So, room tour muna tayo. This is the bed. King bed. Tapos, meron ditong shelf. Lagay ng something. Meron malaking TV. Tapos, may telephone na may storage. Tapos, may magandang ceiling fan. Pero may aircon naman Tapos, dito, merong ay, nakalock. So, this is the terrace. This is the terrace. Kaya, may maganda ditong view. Tapos, kita mo yung beach doon. Then, you can have coffee here. CR na may sink, may ladder, hindi ko alam kung para. Sasampayan natin ng towel. Merong shower na may toilet with a potted plant. This is the sink. Okay, dumating na kami sa hotel. Dito muna ako sa terrace. So, magre-rest muna kami ng saglit. Tapos, after sa mga 4 o'clock punta kami sa afternoon cocktail doon. So, and then 6:30 magdi-dinner kami. See you there! We're walking na to the Payrola. Magsha-shuttle ba tayo? Ulit? Yay! Malapit naman na tayo, so maglalakad na lang kami. Okay, ito yung event place pero hindi na naman tayo dito. May event. This is the Torogan Hall for weddings and birthdays. Diba dyan ka? Okay, this is the merch shop. Later we will go here. Sana may Transformers. So, dito kami kakain bukas sa Maranao Restaurant pero closed pa siya ngayon. Mag-merienda na kami dito. So, pipili muna kami ng pagkain. I need plain rice.
Wala pang rice merienda.
Nakatayo siya. Ba't nakatayo tong isang to? Tapos na kami kumain. Maglalakad-lakad lang muna kami bago bumalik sa room. Tapos mag-rest kami konti. Tapos babalik kami dito para mag-diner. Punta tayo sa beach na may mangrove. Ito lahat ay Samal Sweets. So, this is beach number 1, the mangrove. This is the mangrove. So, look at the sand. It's so hard. I can walk on it with socks. Never mind. I cannot walk on it with socks. Kakain na tayo ng dinner dito sa Maranao Restaurant. So, dito kami. Kukuha muna kami ng pagkain doon. So, let's go! Ako magtitinama and bread lang. Tapos, grabe ang ulan. Hindi ko alam kung makakabalik kami sa room. Kasi sobrang baha. So yeah, kakain na muna kami. Bye-bye! morning is day 2. Kakagising ko pa lang. So, pumunta muna kami sa breakfast area. Babalik kami dito para magbihis, tapos magsiswimming kami. Tapos pupunta kami sa speedboat para mag-snorkeling. Tapos pagtapos, punta ulit kami sa dagat. So, si Dada nag-rent ng speedboat. Tapos pag nag-snorkeling tayo, may makakita kang giant taklobo. So I have this cornflake cereal. So, tapos na kami kumain, bumalik na kami sa room. Magsasnorkeling na kami. Pupunta tayo sa boat, tapos lalangoy kami sa tubig. May makakita tayong clam, parang sinabi ko kahapon. So, let's go! Okay, nandito na kami. So, yan yung speedboat na sasakyan natin. Tapos, punta kami sa sea, tapos mag-snorkeling para makita natin yung clam. Let's go! We're about to go na. Yan na. We can kita mo si Mount Apple dyan. Okay, nagpe-prepare muna kami para sa snorkeling.
Taclobo to is a community-based ecotourism project operated by Barangay Alicor United Fisher Folk Organization, isa po kaming asosasyon. Baka yan ata, may poison yun. Okay, I touched it. Away, Murky. Okay, I touched it. A shell! I found the shell, Nana. What, did you put it in water? No. Now be careful not to drop your phone into the water. Maybe there's another one here. Oh, I got it. There. I think that's enough. Now, to find out what happened to this. Look! Look! Mama! See? Oh,
Is it an emerald gem?
it's just a special kind.
Oh, it's a rock? Okay, useless rock!
Mama, is this an emerald?
Yes, you find gold, ha?
Collect
there's
it.
gold and
Mama,
silver.
collect it.
Ako ay pupu lang.
Useless! Yeah, I'm just dumping you into the sea, boy. We got some of this murky water. So now, I will continue my quest. Ooh. Bubbly, bubbly. What? Ah, what? God! Bubbling bubbles? Gonna find out that mystery. Ouch. Looks like there's a hole here. Ah. I don't think it's the source of all that bubbles. But first, I have to move these ugly rocks out of the way. Ah! There's a crab! Over here! Look!
Wait, where? Where is it?
Ah! There's a crab! On here! You want me to collect it? Okay, we're going back to the room na. Pero, tapos mag-rest kaming konti, magsha-shower, tapos babalik para sa lunch. Marami lang hapon magsaswimming ako sa pool. Oh. Ah. Okay, we're done in lunch and it was good. I ate papaya and that was the only one that was bad. Okay, pagkatapos namin mag-snorkeling, kumain muna kami ng lunch, kaya mag-recap muna ako. So, nung dumating ang barko, sobrang bilis ng barko. Speedboat, sobrang bilis ng speedboat. Tapos yung pagdating namin, merong yung babae na nag-discuss kung yung mga types of giant clam. Tapos, nung pagdating na, hindi ako makahinga, konti lang. Kasi sa nose ako naghihinga, hindi sa mouth. Kaya nung nalaman ko na, pumunta na ako doon. Tapos nung nakitang clam, nakita akong starfish sa mga iba pang isda. Tapos, yung isa binidyo kami lahat sa ilalim. Tapos may binabatak kami. Pero ako hindi nagbatak. Tapos ako lang ata yung nagkaway. Ako lang yung nagkaway. Tapos yung pagbalik namin, pumunta kami sa dagat. Tapos naglaro ako sa sand. Tapos may nakita kaming mga starfish. Yung tawag sa kanila is snorkeling. So, snorkeling is you go underwater and then you breathe through a tube here. You breathe through your mouth and there's a tube going up here which reaches to the air. So, you can breathe. Now, about the giant clam, it's big. Sometimes it's small. There are a lot of types of giant clam like the born clam or the colorful one. The colors can sometimes be green, blue, red, or maybe orange. So, pagkatapos kumain kami ng lunch, ang kinain ko chicken with shrimp and rice. Tapos kumain ako ng the worst fruit possible, papaya. So, yan. I will update later. Okay, nag-rest muna kami sa hotel, tapos magsiswimming ulit kami sa dagat, pero pearl farm pa din. So, this is the other side of the beach. So, let's go!
here by the beach. Kaya pabalik na kami sa room. Tapos ko lang aking pomelo. Chum. Guys, ang sarap nito. This is pomelo. Rating. My rating is 10,000 out of 100. Okay, gumising na kami. This is day 3. Pupunta muna kami sa breakfast area. After breakfast, di ko na lang kung anong gagawin. Tapos magtutoy tayo ng buong pearl farm mamaya. Okay, so nandito na kami. So my food is plain rice with bacon and tocino with cereal. Kasi mama at si dada na ako papakain. Kaya kamon ko bago mag-swimming. So, yan lang muna. Bye-bye! Okay guys, so si dada nagplano na kuha ng flowers galing Davao City. So, ibigay kay mama. Let's go! Ito na nga. To na pero ba? Ito. Hindi ako makalakad sa buhangin. Itutur lang niyo tayo habang nakasakay tayo. Okay, so nagtutur na kami ngayon. So, yan, nagtutur lang kami habang nasa loob ng cart. Kaya ikutin tayo, tapos papakita siya ng information sa mga lugar or thing. Road. Kung na ako patok kagabi, sinig ko parang wala. Okay, punta muna kami sa Aqua. May Aqua Center. Maganda mga activities sa water doon. We will try the kayak and the paddleboard. So let's go! This is so hard! I'm a noob! Okay guys, tapos na kami sa tour. Nagkayaking muna kami. Nobody heard that. Nagkayaking muna kami. Tapos bumalik kami dito para mag-swimming ulit. So, let's go!
Magsiswimming ka pa? Swimming pa? Bango na.
Okay, so it's day 4 na. It's our last day. Kaya magpunta muna kami sa breakfast. Pagtapos mag-swimming na agad kami. Tapos pwede pa ata kami magdagat.
Hello, good morning.
High tide na. Hapon kasi mababa. So, kain na tayo. Let's go! The food is good, but I haven't eaten yet. Masarap lahat. Okay, so magla-last swimming muna kami sa pool bago mag-pack ng gamit natin. So, let's go! Tapos, check out tayo later. Dapat ata dito ako. Pero wala kasi ditong hagdan. Wala to kasing hagdan. Gabi fine. Bakit malamig dito nung nag-ano kami hindi ganito kalamig? Okay guys, nandito na kami sa park. Hinintay lang kami ng boat. Tapos pabalik. Papunta dun sa city. Tapos pag-city tour tayo. So, nagkita pa ka ng boat. So, we'll be back. So, one pa daw dadating. Kaya, nagkita muna kami. Bye! Out 200 rin. Nandito na kami sa Lola Abas. Pwede ka bumili ng mga regalo. Okay, nandito na kami sa Crocodile Park and Zoo. Imbis sa crocodile, madami pang iba, hindi lang basta crocodile. So we're going to the entrance, so let's go! There is a big crocodile skeleton here. This is the capybara. Okay, so I heard about this, the Philippine sail-fin lizard. So, they were believed to be the descendants of the Spinosaurus because of like the spine and or the sail on the back. Get down! Kasuwari! Ano daw yan? Believed to be one of the most dangerous birds. Ano? Malakas yan mangipa. You think it can talk? Hello? Mr. Parrot. They can't bite, right? Okay, dito kami sa may crocodile. May akit doon, tapos papakainin. So, let's watch. You go! Bombardino crocodilo. Did you get it? Ha! There's a crocodile right there, and he's watching us. Yes! He's got it! Go! Who are you cheering for? Sila. Ayun. Ah! Gumagawa ng parang. Paano? Ayun! Oh! Okay, itong kuko nito, ginagawang kape. Na magaling din ito. Na sobrang mahal din. Sabi daw, because may spray yung urine. Talaga ba? Sabi daw, Lolong, the largest saltwater crocodile ever measured at 6.17 meters, 25 feet, and weighing 1,075 kilograms, 2,369.97 pounds. Gained fame after his capture in Bunawan Lake, Philippines in 2011. He held the Guinness World record as the world's largest crocodile in captivity. Lolong died on February 10, 2013 due to stress and fungi infection. Kumakain ng saging. The best pomelo overload in Davao City. Thank you, Davao. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you. Bye-bye.